Hey guys, Mike with Mosquito Mike's Garage here again. Today we are continuing our uh, yearly maintenance on the Lincoln MKX. This is a 2007 Lincoln MKX. But most of the time when you're switching out things like tail lights, you got a tail light out. It's the same process. So if you, like I, am trying to earn some brownie points with your mother-in-law, and you don't want her jumping out of her walker, jumping into the old family speedster mobile and getting pulled over for a uh, lack of blinking or tail lights, then follow along here and I'll walk you through how to do this real quick. So, and the first thing you need to do, it looks like, and this is for pretty much any kind of tail light you're going to switch out in a more modern car. I've never swapped the lights in these in this particular vehicle. It is my vehicle. So I figured you could walk along with me, but you're going to want to grab yourself a couple tools. It looks like there's usually an access panel and or just a couple small bolts that need to be taken off, or screws. But you're going to have to get in here and find a way to access the back of the actual tail light itself. So this is a 5/16. It looks like I'm just going to pull these two screws out right here real quick. And once you get them out, that panel will typically just come right out of there. And it feels like mine, yeah, just pops right out just like that. Okay. So don't be afraid. It has kind of a force fit nipple, so to speak, that goes in right here. It also has the same down below, and it just pops in there, and that engages there. You rotate it around, and that's what secures it. But once you get it opened up like this, and I'll bring you up just a touch closer, that way you can get a better look at what we have going on here, because that's the point of you watching this video, right? Is so that you can learn and see. So your light's gonna look like this. You're gonna find the bigger, if it's like an accessory light like this, obviously that's this light down here below. If you're looking for your tail light, this is what you're looking for. And you're going to take this back portion, just rotate it about a quarter turn counterclockwise, like you're loosening it. Pull that sucker out, pull your bulb out. You just pull it straight out like that. That's what you're looking for. Hopefully you already went to your parts house and or got online and ordered up. In this case, it is a 4157. This is a very common tail light that are used in these more modern vehicles. And by modern, this is a almost 20-year-old vehicle. So we're not talking that modern. But 4157 is probably what you're looking for. I think it cost me for $10 or so. Don't hold me to that. So all you do is take your new bulb out, stick it right in the slot. It doesn't matter which way. You can go either way. It's universal. Then take that fitting contraption housing and lock it back in. Just see how I did that? So you're going to go back in, okay? And then you're going to rotate it that quarter turn, in this case, clockwise now, to get it back together. What I like to do is before I go and bolt it all back in, which takes about 30 seconds, I'm going to turn the blinker on. Let's see if this thing works. And wouldn't you know it, I left the keys inside. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. Once you get all that done, I'll go in and grab the keys, and we'll make sure that works. But I do recommend go ahead and check and make sure it works before you take the time to button it all back up. But once you have that done, take your two screws, put them in the two holes. Obviously, the old ratty tighty. Tighten those guys back up. You're dealing with plastic here, so you don't want to go too crazy. Just snug it up. Get it back in place where it's not going to fall out. It pushed it into those two holes, and we'll go grab the keys and we'll come back for the moment of truth to see if that did what it was supposed to. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's go see if this thing worked. Would you look at that? Just like that, we got it. So maybe this isn't your forte, so to speak, doing a little bit of maintenance or fixing things on your rig, but you can do this. It's simple. You saw that took me about 5 minutes. It's really not hard. You don't have to have an air ratchet or an impact wrench or anything like that. You don't have to have sockets. That is simply just 5/16, I believe. Yeah, 5/16 bolt. So you can grab a 5/16 wrench. You could even get an adjustable wrench, a crescent wrench. When you go ahead and get the light bulbs, it'll cost you a couple bucks, and then you'll have it. And rather than take it in, spend a day waiting or an hour waiting at the dealership and paying them, I have no idea, call it $100 to do that. You can spend about 10, I think, on the bulb in 5 minutes of your time, and you will be back in action, ready to go, back out there and make it to the soccer games, make it to the play, whatever your thing is. All right, hope you all have a great day. If you found that useful, it'd be great if you subscribe. Doesn't cost anything and all that stuff, and helps me out. Thanks.